Hello and welcome back to my channel. We're now 2/3 of the way through April and this is my favourite time of the year already now. The summer migrants have arrived, I think a little bit early this year. I'm back to using the car as a hide again at the moment. It's the best way to do it here, to be honest. The birds don't seem to mind the car too bad. You know, they'll come to within, the little birds will come to within like 8 meters of the car. And then the only thing that scares them really is when the camera slap, as I call it, the shutter goes down. I'm sat here today now, you know, I'm in a bit of a quandary. Do I stick with the golden orioles, the bee eaters, or the rollers? I'm not really sure which ones I'm going to go for, to be honest. But I've just had an amazing run for about a week with all these little pied flycatchers. The pied flycatcher and the red star action lasted about 5 days, so I'm guessing they were moving on to Northern Europe on their migration as the only... I've not seen them in the woods since, and I'm sitting here every morning now. And like I say, everything happened within 5 days, and then there's nothing in the woods. Yeah, every time I've managed to get on this flight path of these hoop-hoos, I've managed to get a couple of photos, but not enough. I'm just experimented with birds in flight, you know. It's a bit harder than I thought it was going to be. And I do like these hoopoes. They're so colourful and the song is so beautiful. And sometimes they'll come right up to the car, but this pair seem to be having a fight. I thought it was a pair, but it looks like they're having a fight. Like I say, we're in the third week of April when I'm filming this, and we're already up to 27, 28 degrees during the afternoons. So I've swapped over now to go in the mornings. Today is a little bit different because there's a little bit of cloud, and I've not been able to check on this roller site for a few days now because of there must have been a water leak here or something, because the track was too wet, so I couldn't come down. So I thought I'll just come here on this afternoon as it's a little bit cloudy. I might be able to get some nice footage. Just Merlin keeps picking up melodious warbler. I've not seen it. That's a serin, I can see. But in this spot, I keep picking up melodious warblers. Never seen one. That I'm aware of, anyway. They all look the same to me, honestly. They all look like little brown jobs to me, so... LBJs. I'm hoping the camera's picking this nightingale singing. It's singing its head off. It's not very far away from me, but I can't find it. Every time I see a piece of movement, I think it's the nightingale, and it turns out to be a sparrow, and I get the binoculars on it. There's always the way with these little warblers and that. They're so hard to see. Fair play to anyone that can find them. I must admit, I struggle with them. Yeah, absolutely amazing this is. Dawn chorus at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. But sedge warbler, nightingale, yeah, the Merlin picks up everything in the mornings. It's amazing. But like I say, you just never see them. That's why I'm so busy with these pied flycatchers and the common redstart. Absolutely beautiful. And they sit up just above the bottom branches, I presume, to keep out the way of predators, because I was just sat here and I just saw something out the corner of my eye, and it was a hobby up in the tree. Just landed, and I thought, oh. And then it was obviously mobbed by magpies. But today's been absolutely fantastic. I managed to get my first photograph this year of the golden oriole, even though you can see it as, it's spotted in the tree time. And a little bit of video. And that's probably going to be it now for the next 2 months. It's just going to be staring at trees. I'm also trying to rush this video out a little bit quick, because this probably will be the last video with this camera, with this Nikon D5200 55-300mm lens. I'm just literally in the process of buying another camera, which will be hopefully a major upgrade, and it will probably see me out. Yeah, the new camera is definitely going to be a major upgrade, I think. And it's going to allow me to do a lot of capabilities. That's crap. It's going to allow me, the new camera will allow me to do a lot more things than I can with this camera. But I have enjoyed using this over the last 4 months. I've really been getting the hang of it now. The pictures are getting better slowly, and the video's been getting a little bit better now. If you've enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe.